part of your world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? That's always wrong my head. What's up, kings and queens? It's your girl Zoe Sunshine here with a brand new episode, and it is going to be a spooktacular, is that the right word? I think it is. A spooktacular week because it's Halloween week. So everybody is going to go, I don't want to say trick-or-treating because that's not what we do in the Caribbean. That's not what we do here. Like we party. So yeah. Before we continue, I am bringing you Ariel vibes. We're still repping selected charts this month, even though I disappeared for a week, guys. But that's because, you know, sometimes you have to take a break. And you have to self-reflect and you have to like give yourself some love and some care. And that's what I did. So let me give you the song of last week, which is the song of this week here. And then let us listen, because I think it's a vibe. I mean, I feel like all of selected charts choices have been complete vibes, like things that I like. As soon as I listen to them, I'm like, yeah, I feel like I'm rocking out to this. So let's go.
They don't want to see me live this life, and they want to see it change me. They want to see me gone. They just can't be on what I be on. Watch close, this the life of a dawn. Bad chick, cheeky grip in my arm. That's it, all the fake shit is gone. Designer, get it straight from Milan. Phone ring, tell me what do you want. Pasta manana, if it ain't about to come. Yeah, cash. Pasta manana.
Smash, pass, packs, la la la. Enough of the smashing and the passing of the men's and the women's. It's time to smash or pass some food. It's Halloween, guys. Let's go. Ghost cake. This looks delicious. Smash, for sure. Smash, stuff it in my face. Like, Bloody Mary syringes. This is quite interesting. I like the picture. The only problem I have would be the oranges. Like, I'm allergic, so I'm not gonna mess with them. But if they don't have any citrus in them, I like the whole idea. So yeah, definitely a smash. Blood drip cupcakes. These look interesting. They aren't like hugely decorated, but they don't need to be. I think that they're super cute, and I think, like, I'm trying to figure out if they would do like a chocolate cupcake or would it be a red velvet cupcake. I don't know, but like either way, I would give it a smash for sure. Brain Big Batch Jello shot. Say that 3 times fast, why don't you? Brain Big Batch Jello shot. Brain Big Batch brain Big Batch brain Big Batch brain. That's a tongue twister. It looks interesting, so I think that I would definitely give it a smash. Would you? Would you take on this Brain Big Bash Jello shot? I think there's some of you out there who would be like, yep, I would give it a go. Ghost cookies. Oh wow, these look super cute, but I'm really not a cookie fan, so pass. Halloween Town marshmallow spiders look so delicious. So yummy, so cute, and to have it with a cup of hot chocolate, I'm there. Smash, 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 smash. Yes. Spider trifle. Curiosity has been piqued. I'm wondering what it would taste like because it looks delicious, but then again, I don't know. Something is telling me no, so pass. I'd say pass. Bat truffles. Bat truffles. Would I give it a go? I don't like the fact that they're heavily covered in I don't know, are they sprinkles or something? I don't like that. Like, I feel like that's gonna be a lot. So that's a pass for me. I am a pizza lover. But this, I don't know if it's because of how it looks, but like, I'm just like, no. I don't wanna eat that. I don't wanna try it. So, yeah. Bloody cheesecake. This is something that I think that we all might like. You see, even the chicken just agreed with me. He was like, yes, girl, I will take some of that bloody cheesecake to go. So, smash. Monster Mash cookies. Now, once again, I'm not a huge fan of cookies, so if you guys like it, smash. But me, I'm sorry, chicken. I am sorry, okay? Me, I'm gonna pass because I'm not a cookie person. Not really. Chocolate mice. Ooh, those look so good. So good. I would give it a go. Smash. I would eat them. Creepy Shirley Temples. Now, these look like they would taste good. With the syringe and everything, like it's a whole like gimmick. Push it down, swirl it around, drink. But would I want it? Pass. Bloody eyeball dessert. So this is a panna cotta. Would I have it with kiwi? No, because allergic, but it's cute. It's cute. Pass. Last but not least, toxic waste mac and cheese. Now this looks very interesting. Put in some green dye, add some green vegetables, and you got an interesting dish. Would I give it a go? Yeah, because it's mac and cheese. Duh. So that's the end. Have a great Halloween. #Halloween. Yes, be safe in whatever you do, whether you're staying at home and watching some spooky movies or you're going out with some friends. Also, let me know in the comment section below if you decide that you're going out, what are you gonna go as? I will see you guys next week.